Guys, here I am at Dollar Tree. Look what I'm noticing over here. Look at these candles, guys. Look at that. Serenity. That is beautiful. I'm loving the top. I think I'm gonna grab one of these. These are so nice. Love these iridescent candle holders. So I think I'm gonna grab two of the white. Last time I grabbed two silver, so I'll keep that on the side. And then they have these lighters over here, guys. These are really nice. And then they have the tapered candles in this metallic silver, the ivory, and the red. That's pretty cool. Then they have these saving cans over here for Father's Day. It says, #1 original, cheers to you, Dad. And this one says, Dad, you're amazing. And what is this one? The champion of dads. Those are really awesome, guys. I see somebody hauling these. So this says, congratulations, woohoo, great job. They're so cute. They're very tiny. I don't know if you could see that there. So that's this one right here. And then they have this one that says, Miss to Mrs. That's really nice, guys. So that is really cool. And then they have this random candle holder there and these here. So then these say, okay, happy birthday, hashtag time for cake. These are adorable, guys. These would make some nice favors. And then they have the jars. Guys, I love these jars. I haul them in each color. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Especially this purple one right there. So if we look down here, okay, so I think I might have shown you these before. These guys, they're not organized, but I'll show you what they have. These candle holders right here, I think are absolutely beautiful. They're so different. Then they have the frosted ones, which I think I showed you before. These come in colors. Actually, they're right here. Okay. Then they have this one here with the gold on the bottom. Then they have these. These are regular, these glass ones. They have this kind here, and then they have this kind here. So here are the same candle holder and that beautiful color. I like that color. So these are frosted. And then here are the iridescent ones, guys. Those are so pretty. And the frosted pink ones are very pretty too. Okay, and then back here, they have these gold tone ones. I'm absolutely loving those. Then down here, they have these. These have been around for a while. And down here, guys, we have some diffusers. And I'm loving these, you know, I love these opalescent candles, guys. They have them in that purple and this one, and I love the white iridescent. And then here's the yellow one. And now these right here, guys, are so pretty. This one here says melon papaya. This one says ginger, or guys, I don't even know, bergamot. That's really pretty. Let me see this flavor here. This is melon, kiwi, I think. And then that one says rosewater bamboo. Let me see how they smell. So they don't have very much of a scent, but they are so cute. Candle holders right here, I love those. So they don't have much of a throw, but I like the way that they look. And they have, this one here says honey vanilla. Honey vanilla, what is this one? This one says frosted, is that frosted cranberry? And then they have these kind over here, guys, let me show you. So the candles, these little ones here, they have them in the white, the red, and that burgundy color. Then they have them in that lavender color right there. And they have this one randomly placed, but then they have the cream color, vanilla. That one's by Luminescence. And then over here they have the roasted marshmallow. I don't know how these, what kind of the throw is for those. But then they have the gray, the blue all the way in the back, and then this pink one of these kind of candles here. And I'm absolutely loving this one, guys. Look at the print on that. I love that. And then they have the diamond shape one. I call them diamond shape. And they have the Pillsbury candles. These are so good. They smell so good. So this says ice cinnamon. That one says apple cinnamon, and that one says chocolate chip. And then here are the other ones. Here's the three the two colors. Well, these are the two colors. I absolutely love that print. So the taper candles, here they are in red again and burgundy. Here's the diamond shaped one over here in the gray. So these over here is coconut mango. That sounds like it smells good. But they brought these out. These would be nice for a Father's Day basket, guys. You have your tea lights, guys, your tapered ones. And I always get these. I love lighting real candles, and I love using these. And I also like using these. So then, oh, look at these. I never seen these. Okay, golden citron. So they have a bunch of those. And then this one says coconut amber. See that, guys? Then they have these, the 4-pack. And what is this flavor up here? This one says butter pecan. Wow, that sounds like it smells so great. So this is what they have as far as the candles, guys. These are the only ones that I'm noticing as new. Grab a picture frame for Father's Day DIY. And they have these small ones here. I like these wood grain ones. That's a small size, and those are for the 4x6s. That's the 8x10, and here the 4x6 in that beautiful silver color I like. Then they have the little tiny ones. They have these photo mats. They have the little photo albums. Okay. So they have the stand, the easel stands over there on that side. What are these? Oh, look how nice. These are nice. I haven't seen these. Okay, so this is Dad Rules sign. Fishing rules. Let's see. That one says Dad's barbecue rules. And Dad's zone. That's so adorable to put in the dad basket. Okay, man cave rules. Look at the man cave rules. This is the football season rules. And then down here, these are new, guys, and this is the garage official rules. That's pretty cute. They have some more votives over there, and here are the tea light holders in the 3 sizes, guys. And then these are the wax warmers in the white, and here are the iridescent candle holders. Then I'm loving these that say homemade. Those are so pretty. So they have them in that style. This says your future is here. Okay, and then they have these. So they have that shape. Then they have this shape. Guys, I really like this shape. And I think I need this one for a DIY. So you have this shape. Let me just show you again. They're right there. Then you have this shape. This is a very unusual shape. I like that. Then they have this shape right here. So I guess you can actually see them like this, side by side. So you see the difference. And then you have the color frosted ones down there. So we have some religious magnets here and here. You know, these are cute. I like these. So here are the wax warmers in the pink, the green. This is gray, and this is a darker gray. And then they have these, one of my favorite vases with the chalkboard label. So right here they bought the candlesticks back, and here are the other different kind, and those are the fluted ones right over there. So here they have the tall candles in the blue and the red. And look at this, they bought these back. These are so nice for outside, guys. The red and the blue, and then here's the white, well, the clear. Okay, so then you have this kind of vase, and I'm absolutely loving this one. That is so nice. And then the square vases are down here. Dog Daddy, Crazy Cat Lady, Dog Family. This one says Dog Mama, Live Love Wolf. We have some ombre ribbon there, chevron ones here, some glitter ones there, some the sheer ones there. They have some grosgrain and some lace, some bling. Let's see, these are all mixed up. These are the lace one, guys. I haven't used those yet. And then here's the chevron in the red and one in the white. They have the fish tail, the mermaid tail trinket. And then they have some of these wall decor pieces. Okay, I'm trying to show you what I can. So they have that one. I think we looked at these the last time, but look how nice that one looks. I like those. Look at that. And they have a pair. And then the beach rules. And then a year of first. And the paw print. Okay, so down here you have Believe in Magic, free hugs. And I'm loving this camel. Believe in Magic. Here's a crazy cat lady. And that's randomly placed. Okay guys, so we have all the foam stuff here to make floral arrangements, and I'm loving these lanterns. Aren't they cute? They're getting bigger. These are adorable to use. Thinking master plan, life begins after coffee, and I love that wolf sign. Okay, so here it says let it go. Now you know what? Keep life simple and let it go. I think I like this let it go sign. And then let me show you this, guys. It looks so nice. So here they have these signs, and I think they're so beautiful. This one says take your time, meaning the herb. And then here it says fresh farm with the truck, with that truck on the top of that tractor. And then here they have the cow that says farm sweet farm. Those are absolutely gorgeous, and so are these guys. Look at that. I like that. So those things are new. Then here they have some random stuff, pictures. And so let's move on over here. So here they have the black stone rocks. Then they have the multicolored pebbles, the sea stones. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it, guys, for this section right here. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their little vase area and their votives and their frames. And I'll see you guys in another video.